Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our video series Front-End Frameworks Showdown, where we compare four of the most popular front-end frameworks: Angular, React, Svelte, and Vue. In our previous episode, we created projects in each of these frameworks. Now, before we dive into the code base, let's explore essential code editor extensions and Chrome DevTool extensions for a seamless development experience. Code editor extensions and Chrome DevTools extensions are crucial for maximizing productivity, gaining insights, and debugging your applications. However, before we proceed, let's ensure that you have Visual Studio Code installed on your machine. To install Visual Studio Code, navigate to code.visualstudio.com. And download the version suitable for your operating system. Follow the instruction provided and you will be ready to go in no time. Now let's install Visual Studio Code extensions. To install Visual Studio Code extensions, open Visual Studio Code. In the left sidebar you can see this icon. It is Visual Studio Code Extensions Marketplace. You can search for any extensions. First we will search for Angular language server or service. You will have to click install. Notice this is published by Angular and it is a verified publisher. So install this. This will take few minutes. Now let's install extensions for React development. Search for React. React does not have any official developer extension for Visual Studio Code, but you can use third-party extensions. Here you can see an extension with 8.3 million installation. We will install this ES7 plus React or Redux or React Native snippets extension. Well, our installation is complete. Now we will install Svelte for VS Code, and it is also published by Svelte, so it is official extension. We will click install, and now we will have to install for Vue.js development, and Vue.js developer extension is named with Volar. It is provided by Vue, and if you use TypeScript for your Vue.js project, you will have to install this TypeScript Vue plugin for Volar. So I will install both of those. Once our Visual Studio Code extension installation is complete, we can see this on our installed extensions. We have Vue.js language feature, that is Volar, Svelte. It is for React, it is for Angular, and you can also install ESLint and Prettier Code Formatter plugin for better developer experience. Now you will need to install Chrome DevTools extensions, and for that we will search in Google for Angular DevTools Chrome. Here it is the first result, Angular DevTools chrome.google.com. You can navigate to the extensions and click Add to Chrome. Well, it is complete. Installation is complete. Now we will search for React DevTools. We can install this React Developer Tools. Now we need to install Vue DevTools. Here Vue.js is the official publisher. We will need to click on Add to Chrome. And finally, we will have to install Svelte DevTools. We are searching for Svelte, and Svelte DevTools. This is the Svelte DevTools. We can click on Add to Chrome. Now we have all code editor extensions and Chrome DevTool extensions. With the Visual Studio Code extensions and Chrome DevTool extensions at your disposal, you have a comprehensive set of tools to tackle front-end development challenge. In the next part of this episode, we will dive into the code base and explore the capabilities of each frameworks.